Alright, so today's Monday, February 26th, and we're going to look at the weather for the upcoming week into next weekend. So beginning with the overview, as far as what we're looking at, we're going to be looking at a continuation of winter-like conditions this week as more storms come into the region with below normal temperatures. And this is going to result in more rounds of snow, so let's dive now into the details. Here's a look at forecast snow accumulation for Tuesday night. We're going to see a weak weather system moving into the Idaho Panhandle, bringing light snow accumulations of up to 2 inches for the valleys and 3 to 6 inches in the mountains. While light snowfall is expected during the day on Tuesday, the bulk of the snowfall is expected for Tuesday night. And then after that weak system passes, we're going to be closely monitoring a slow-moving low-pressure system Wednesday night, which will persist in the Friday. It's going to usher in several rounds of precipitation from the south. Travel impacts are likely in the mountains and possibly the valley locations as well. North central Washington is especially under the gun with the main moisture fetch aimed at this region during this period. So here's a look at what we're forecasting for precipitation type as the system moves in. A moist frontal boundary will reach the Cascades Wednesday afternoon before spreading east and stalling over central and eastern Washington, possibly clipping North Idaho Wednesday night into Thursday morning. The blue colors indicate snow for most locations, but lower elevations such as Wenatchee, Moses Lake, and Lewiston are expecting rain. The Okanagan Valley, including Omak, carries greater uncertainty as the intensity of the precipitation may lower the snow level down to the valley floor. This map shows snow accumulation potential for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. The dark blue color indicates heavy snow accumulations likely for the mountains of north central Washington, with moderate to heavy snow amounts in the valleys. The light blue color indicates the potential for light to moderate snow accumulations, especially above 2,000 feet, which includes the West Plains, the Palouse, the Blue Mountains, the Idaho Panhandle, and the Waterville Plateau. The Thursday morning commute may be impacted by slush or snow-covered roads, so heads up on that. Alright, so as we go into Thursday afternoon and Friday, the storm is going to linger over the region. Snow levels are expected to rise above the valley floors on Thursday afternoon as temperatures warm into the upper 30s to near 40, but then they will lower again Thursday night. A band of moderate to heavy snowfall may set up, but confidence is low regarding its location. Additional impacts are possible during this time frame, so stay tuned to the forecast as we can fine-tune the details as we get closer to that Thursday afternoon and Friday time frame. Alright, so as we go into the weekend, the low pressure system is going to slowly exit our region, but we will remain in a cool and showery air mass, and this will support graupel or snow pellet showers across the region over the weekend. Alright, so recapping the week beginning in Washington with Spokane and Wenatchee, expect a slight warm-up into Thursday before temperatures cool slightly on Friday. Precipitation chances will be highest mid to late week and then gradually decrease over the weekend as that showery air mass moves over the region. And then for Idaho, let's look at Sandpoint and Lewiston. A similar story with temperatures warming slightly in the Thursday before cooling into the weekend. Precipitation chances will be highest mid to late week and then gradually decrease over the weekend for here as well. Looking even further into the future, the 8 to 14 day outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center, valid March 6th through the 12th, show elevated chances for below normal temperatures and slightly elevated odds for wetter than normal conditions. So that concludes the briefing. Keep an eye on the forecast this week. Here various ways you can stay in tuned for our weather information, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And I will end the recording now and open up for any questions.